This is Nobis Production here in Pasig City, Iloilo! So it's Nobis Production first hit here in Pasig City. So si Shinji ba yan? Shinji Hitoya, McLaren, Makilar. So James Hanson. So nandyan it's Kawa Galila, Steve Gallego.
2 minutes. Okay.
So sorry guys, hindi ko kilala iba ito. Ayan na, bitawa na. Full shot. It's James Hanson. Wow, grabe. So James Hanson, Shinji Hitoya. This is Nobis Production here in Pasig City, Iloilo! Wow! Grabe! Woo! Ayun, oh! Wow! McLaren! Grabe! McLaren from Team Honda! So, it's McLaren Belia Corta on the lead!
Honda Philippines.
So, it's McLaren Belia Corta, James Hanson, Shinji Hitoya, Steve Gallego, and then Kawa Galila, Makilar. Wow, gandang laban guys sa Nobis Production first hit here in Pasig City. Ayun, no? Wow. McLaren on the lead. Ayun, no? James Hanson, Shinji Gallego. Nangunguna McLaren. Hoy! Kawa Galila. Sayang. Yellow. Ayun. So still McLaren. Still leading McLaren Belia Corta. Ayun, no? From Team Honda Philippines. Still leading here in Pasig City, Iloilo.
It's McLaren Belia Corta, Manila.
Wow. James Hanson on second, Shinji Hitoya on third. On fourth, Steve Gallego.
Oh. Control na throttle. Ang mahirap talaga dulas sa race track motherboard sheets. How you control the
Wow!
Napakadulas. Ang tension basic mo talaga
So still leading.
Yes.
Wow. Munti ka na, no, Steve Gallego. So still leading McLaren Belia Corta. Ayun, no? Hanson on second. And then Shinji Hitoya. Wow. So Makilar, the farm boy, the comeback.
na sa starter gate. Itayin na natin si Lupalo. Dexter Batatak. Siya po yung church
Oh.
ng starting gate. Thank you for response.
So, Kawa Galera, sayang, sumemplang.
Ang gusto bumili ng purchase sa Astro, available tayo dyan sa Yamaha Motor Philippines. Ayun, so, puntahan nyo lang dyan, meron tayong promo.
Estel McLaren.
Solid promo yan.
Okay talaga itong may inspirasyon. Malakas. Malakas na malakas. So, Shinji ito yung third. And then, Steve Gallego.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
Ayan, Pina Bomba is from Luzon and follow.
Munti ka na doon. So, still on the lead. McLaren, Villacorta. James Sanson on second. Oh. Estel McLaren. So, James Sanson on second. Unti-unti nang lumalayo si McLaren. Wow. Estel James Sanson on second. Third, Shinji Hitoya. Wow.
Waiting area. Punta na kayo ng waiting area. Okay. Ay si McLaren Villacorta.
So white flag for McLaren. White flag. Wow. Second, it's James Sanson. Shinji Hitoya on third.
So you have to wait for the checker. So,
Ayun. Oh. Makilar, the power boy. Wow.
And executive party is now ready for
Steve Gallego on fourth. Wow. McLaren. Checkered flag. Second, Sanson.
Congratulations.
Fist bump. Third, it's Shinji Hitoya.
Okay. So, it's a pleasant
Fist
Saturday
bump.
morning. So, time check na tayo guys.
And then Gallego on fourth. Steve Gallego. Checkered flag.
Ikulap, and Dudut's Vlog. And salamat sa mga vloggers.
Checkered.
Enjoy lang tayo guys.